So we're okay. So we just walked up through here. We're right in here. Okay. So we're right here. This opens up into this area right here, and then there's Castle at the end, at the bottom of the hill. Okay, I see right here. All right. Maximum effort. You see who we're shooting at? Fuck, dude. Yeah.
Gunner!
Hey, we need a fucking machine gunner! Yeah, alright.
There we go. Loki, can you help me with this goddamn mag?
Reloading. Oh.
Hey yo, we're headed back towards, we're in city. We brought the bomb back towards the, what's it called then?
Okay, well I'm currently getting engaged from Minortown. I am at City North on the tree line. I'm getting engaged from the west. If you guys want to move up and try and suppress them from the south side, we have a couple of...
But it seems like Command might have something else for us to do.
Fuck, okay. I'll pull back.
I don't know if you want to pull back some of the, I don't know if there's any other demo guys with you, but if you want to pull them back towards city.
I don't know if there are any other demo guys. I'll make my way back to the fob.
Cool, yeah, I tried to call your name out earlier, but I guess you didn't hear, so yeah, just pull back, they probably got something else for us to hear.
Okay, gotcha. That was close. Fuck, dude. Fuck, I gotta pull back. Oh shit, okay, I see where they are. I mean, it's a SEMA, so the MOSFET might just fucking explode. Yeah, again. I threw a very bad nade and it sent everybody running. I got like 7 fucking kills.
All friendly.
No, they were all tan. They're like, grenade! It landed like 30 feet in front of them. I just went...
4 picked one of them up. Dylan, Tyler!
Fucking wasps, dude. I'm not getting stung on my fucking arm, too. Bitch.
Yeah, there's one right back there by the red road. So I don't know, me and you want to run back there. You know
Yeah,
what I
that's a bad idea.
mean? There's actually 2 more on the right. Wasn't fast enough.
He wasn't.
Was it Alex? Jesus. He's still in that like middle, right?
Yeah. The middle building with the bush on the side. Suppress his ass.
Really?
Moving. Get off! Got him! Hey, move up! That was a perfect fucking grenade. That was fucking awesome. Perfect.
Your nade get that guy?
2 of them. It was
I wasn't
perfect.
sure if I got the
It
guy
was
in the booster.
fucking perfect. Gotcha. The field?
Yeah, in the field.
Gotcha. By that purple barricade looking thing?
One on my left, get to that house.
Yeah, I gotcha. Cover.
Go.
Where the fuck is that guy here? I don't have a visual.
Behind those blue barrels, near where that ref is at.
Gotcha. Watching. Got him. Where the fuck's that? You're hit? Gotcha, thank you. For a little bit.